So when you were able to create your own wealth, what were some of the factors that enabled you to actually change that situation around? What did you go through, or what techniques did you suddenly go, they're the 3 or 4 things that I mastered that helped me change my wealth situation?
Okay, the first thing is we need to acknowledge where we are at. I found that people, they don't want to acknowledge their problem, and that's the biggest thing. So first acknowledgement, and then accepting it, what happened, okay, whatever reason, that, okay, your financial situation is that, whether again it was a divorce or bankruptcy, or you had a bad partner in business, and any reason, okay, accept it, happened. So, and then try to work it out to move on, because I found that people, they dwell on past so long that they don't get their mind ready or their action ready to do anything about it.
You find that an annoying part of your courses, you get people to write some of this stuff down. Is that so they can just clear it and actually so they can move on?
Oh, of course, because even as a personal journey of, when I did my wealth creation, so I always thought, well, I'm making this much money, but I'm not happy. That fulfillment wasn't there.
Yes.
So, and I found it, it just took me years to clear it. So, and then when I look back and found that, no, if I would have cleared this sooner, wow, I would have at least had a better life, enjoy my life more, forget about reaching the money, sooner. But that clearing those blocks, to me, is the biggest thing. So that's why most people, the reason that they are not creating the wealth they want, despite of whatever they do, is because of those blocks that they are hanging on to it for so long.
And once they've gone through that part of the process, and you help people go through that, and they get those blocks cleared, what was it you did next that then started put that wealth into your life? And obviously it was a passion that you've got for it, and it actually brought joy as well. You actually created it with happiness.
Oh, for sure. It's a fun way.
Yes.
Well, that's why even I talk about budgeting in a fun way, that even though people, they hate to do budgeting, they say, okay, can we do the budgeting with you? I said, yes, bring it on. So, and then we have so much fun in there. At the end of that session, they will have their budget, and I say, oh my God, this isn't as bad as I thought. So I said, yes, that's how it is.